Hi and welcome to JSInHood channel. In this video, I will show you how you can round floats with pre-built JS methods. So let's begin. The first method that is available for us is massRound. massRound returns the value of a number rounded to the nearest integer. You can see that if I put a number 1.2, it will round it to 1. As it is the closest integer. If I try 1.8, it will round to 2. Starting from 0.5, it rounds up to its nearest integer. Basically, it uses mass rules for rounding. So everything below 0.5 rounds down to nearest integers. You see that 1.49 goes to 1, but 1.5 goes to 2. Next is massCeiling, which returns the value of number rounded up to its nearest integer. If we take 1.7, it rounds to 2, as we expected. 1.5, the same. But even if we take 1.1, it still returns us 2. And the last one is massFloor. It returns the value rounded down to its nearest integer. If we take 1.3, we will get 1. And even if we take 1.9, we still get 1. Now when we know all methods for rounding, we can create some universal function which we can use for rounding numbers. I'm declaring new function rounding. I want to pass two parameters. First is our number. Second is a type of rounding, which by default I want to make round. By doing that, I can write some logic to apply different types of rounding. We can create if-else statement, but as we have more than two options, it is better to use a switch where I will check my rounding type. The first case is floor type, so I want to apply massFloor to my number and return it. The second case is ceiling type, where I want to apply massCeil to my number and return it. By default, we have round, so I want to apply my massRound to my number and return it. Great, so now I can add a message to our console. I'm copying my console log and adjust a message and the function we call. I'm passing parameters so we can get some results. Go back to our browser, refresh the page, and we can see the result of our rounding. Let's call this function again. This time I will take 2.4 and type floor, and the result is 2. But if we call our function with type ceiling, we will get 3 as a result. And if we don't pass the second parameter, it will use the default one that we've set, which is round. We will get 2. Pretty flexible. Try again with 2.5. By default, we get 3 as it uses round. With floor, it will give us 2, and with ceiling, we get 3 as the result. Maybe we can change our type to more convenient words, like down and up. So now we can call this function with a number and type up. And again for down. Perfect, works great. Don't forget to push our changes to our GitHub account. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, join our Slack, and follow us on Twitter. See you in the next videos.